Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. Okay, so for this to work, first you're going to need to open a system browser. So I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then we're going to search for Minecraft download. Okay, and then just press enter, and what you're looking for is minecraft.net. So I'm just going to select the first entry here, download Minecraft. Okay, so once you're on the main home page, you're going to see the download launcher for Windows 10 and 11. There are other editions and system types that you can download. So for instance, here you can see there's one for a legacy launcher, one for macOS. There's also different Java Bedrock editions for Android and iOS. And then go down a little bit more, we've got different Arch-based distributions, and also there is the Java Edition server and a Windows server alpha. So there's different softwares that you can download. I'm on a Windows 10 11 PC, so I'm going to be downloading this particular launcher. So just select that one. Then once that begins to download, just open the exe file. Okay, if a little pop-up appears, just tick the I've read the terms and conditions and then just press install. Sometimes it can take a little bit longer the first time you're downloading it, but this particular time was actually pretty quick, so that's really good. And then you'll be welcomed with this screen, welcome to Minecraft, and then you can start playing Minecraft online. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can download Minecraft for free. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.